Hello Roblox enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a quick tutorial for you on how to disable UI navigation in Roblox. This can come in handy when you want to focus solely on the game without any distractions from the user interface. Step 1 is to open Roblox settings. The first step is to open up your Roblox game. Make sure you're logged in and in the game you want to play. Step 2 is to access Help tab. Now click on the settings icon, usually located in the top right corner of your screen, or over here. And then, for step 3, we need to find the UI selection toggle key. In the settings menu, head to the Help tab. Here you'll find an option called UI selection toggle. It will display the key that's currently set to toggle the UI. Now let's click on the Help tab and you can find the UI selection toggle. And step 4, press the UI selection toggle key. Simply press the key shown on your screen for UI selection toggle. This will enable or disable the user interface in your Roblox game. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to disable UI navigation in Roblox. Now you can enjoy your games with a clean and distraction-free screen. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!